Join a bookings appointment as an attendee 1. Welcome to M365 Professional. Here's how to join. When it's time, select Join Your Appointment from the confirmation or reminder email. You can also join from a SMS text reminder if you received one. If you already have the Microsoft Teams app, it'll open there. If you don't have the app, your appointment will open in a web browser. And if you're using your mobile device, join the appointment right from your mobile web browser. Check to make sure your audio and video are working properly and enter your name if you need to. Then select Join Now. The owner of the appointment will be notified that you're waiting and will admit you when they're ready. During the appointment, you can turn your video on or off, mute your mic, share your screen, or send chat messages. Once the appointment is complete, the staff member can end the call or select Hang Up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.